vlog world. Hope the man them alright and thing. Yo, wagwan. Open alright and thing, you know. But there, one of my spot them on me normally chill out and thing. And just breeze my meds and so over my church. You know what I mean? Yeah man, I'm a church. I want to spot them on me just clear my meds and just bust a prayer to the Lord and a good place to be in silence, you know what I mean? Yeah, you know what I mean? And when you find a place that way, you know what I mean? When you can just chill and just breeze in the meds and, you know, clear the mind and thing. You know? Well, happy Sunday to y'all too. Hope you guys enjoying in the Sunday and thing, you know? But there, I take it easy, but you know what? I want to chat to no one away still, you know? And ask a question still. It's a for all of the man them. Yo. It's a for the man them. Yo. Being a man is not a tough role, brother. Like, pan a real meds. How much of the man them like I go through a tough period of them life where them back just there against the wall and them just feel like nobody not there, brother. You know what I mean? If you just feel all the way on, if you just like when you just feel like when you just live for just live a hard life or just live for just pay the bills them and just provide or just live for just be strong or just live for just feel like you know feel appreciated or you feel invisible, you know what I mean, whether to your family or the people them around you. How much I wanna feel away there? Eh? And it's just a reasoning me a hold with them. Because I know say enough people now cover them topic here. Enough people now talk about them thing there. Like, I want to comment in the comment section like, yo, how you feel? You know what I mean? Or for example, other man and all them thing there. Just wanna feel maybe unappreciated or not appreciated enough or you know what I mean? You just feel like you're just dead, just for dead. And the reason why I bring up all of them stuff here is that you know say enough time a son enough man feel still, you know what I mean? You know say a son more time man feel. Or the world make you feel, you know what I mean? Because we in a society now where I mean see this as a youth growing up where you just hear this as in your ears as a youth growing up. Yo, you must be strong, you must provide, you must be the leader, and you must be head off. Man not for cry and man not for be weak, man must strong. You know what I mean? But you know, see as a little youth I grew up, me never yet hear a mother say or a father say to a man say, yo, you know say it's alright for cry. You know say it's alright for feel weak. You know say it's alright for feel down or you can rest a little bit. You know say it's alright for feel human. You know what I mean? It's alright for be human, you know. But we live in a society where you just hear say, yo, you must be invincible. You must never sick. You can never dip on your face none at all. You must always have your ball game up. You know what I mean? Just I say, you know what I mean? And that put low pressure on Uno as a man. As you as a man, bruh, that thing put a lot of pressure on you. Because we are brought up, or the expectations of a man is just enough. I mean, that's a whole reason with the man them one away. Because, yo, as a little youth I grew up, I know that feel. You know what I mean? And the world can toss you aside so much more time on a big man level when yo, it's just like, you know, like when you're down on your face, as a man, the world have a way for just remind you. Say, yo, remember this you do, you know, you're down on your face and Da 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 da. But yo, trust me. And them thing I lead more time for enough man for just say, oh, me can't do this no more. I'm going to kill himself or something like that. Drink beer, smoke cigarette, weed, him a lean pan something else for just be strong. But me just want, I say all of this just for telling my brother. Say yo, me know say it not easy. Society and the expectations of us just being a man overall is just so great, brother. It's traumatizing. You know what I mean? And more time, the world don't even stop for check pan we. More time. I'm sure even if you just stop and just check pan you and say, yo, you good? More time our next man for just say, yo, you're good. I really mean it's ever good because our expectation, what we see in the world like my man does say, yeah man, I'm good, alright, cool, yo, you're good, yeah, and him walk gone and him gone go drown back in him sorrows and all them thing there. I mean I share all of this just to say, yo, me as a man, I know that feel. As a little you growing up having that big expectations and I mean and it's like society set the thing away where yo, if you don't own one car, you don't own a big house or you don't own have a whole heap of money or certain little thing, you're less off. You no matter. You know what I mean? No disrespect to the man them where braff them money on the screen and stuff like that. Yeah, them a win. But what to the man them where when I have the big car and don't have the big house and don't have the whole heap of money and them stuff there. You know what I mean? Him valueless. Him no worth nothing. Him not deserve. You know what I mean? Certain thing to me. Just I say. You know what I mean? I'm a touch all of these topics. Literally I touching all of these topics because me and my brother them attack. This is for the man them. Because I believe him and I know how I feel. You know what I mean? Trust me, rough. You see, anytime you fall on your face, brother, and you feel away, then you feel worthless, or you feel any type of way I just mentioned to you, remember, say God there about here. Pray. As a matter of fact, challenging yourself. Pray for one another. Pray for one brother. Pray for our men. You know what I mean? Because the man them nowadays is a sad case. Suicidal rate gone up. All of them things there. Depression, bipolar depression, all of them things they're rough. Them things they're rough and it's just a serious topic I just want to talk to people them or the man them, my brother them both. You know what I mean? Don't make society you not having the expectations. You know what I mean? Way you down because you not reach somewhere yet. Don't get me wrong, yeah. Man fi have house, man fi have car, man fi have whole heap of money, but if you not have it, no. That no means you enough to continue work towards it. Yeah, you might feel discouraged at one or two way or people talk to you a way or people make you feel that way, but in all honesty, God made you to be great and God see the end result of you. You are not just a product. You are not just something up on the cupboard over this until expiry date. No, there's so much more than that, my brothers. You know what I mean? Don't give up hope. Continue pray. You know what I mean? Continue hold up your cross, brother. With or without people around your brother. You, my brother, matters. You know what I mean? Yeah. You know what I mean? Remember saying, a God eye, you matter. So I just want to share all of that with all of my brothers them to just make you know, say, don't give up hope. Continue just being strong. Continue being strong. As Sizzla Kalonji when I say, yes, you got to be strong. Yeah, and be the best you can. The world is out there, conquer your world. Yeah, man, conquer it, man. Go and put in the work. You know what I mean? I just want to remember brother them say, yo, you know work list, yo. Go and do what you do. Go and put in the work. And just know say, yo, me proud of you. If nobody not proud of you, me proud of you, brother. Me proud of you. Whether you sell bag juice or road, orange juice, lollipop, catch bubble gum, or you sweep road, you garbage collector, It no matter, brother, you win. You see it, continue win. You know what I mean? Set a goal in your head. Brother, something where you want. Even if it's a shirt you want to buy. A brand new shirt. Or, and cross that off of your list. Then you go bigger and you go bigger and bigger. Every mickle make a muckle, brother. Take on the time and elevate. You know what I mean? No rush. You know what I mean? All you have to do is just have ambition in your mind. If you have a talent, use it. You know what I mean? I'm just there and remind my brother them, you know what I mean? I love you, God bless you, and just know say, yo, God love you, remember? Remember that here. Remember, you're not a product. You're not a product. You're a man. Lead to the very best of your ability. You're not less than. You know? So I love you. God bless you. I just want to share that with you. Because I know say more time enough man feel away there too. You know what I mean? So trust me, I know that feeling there, how it feel more time to as you growing up to now. You know what I mean? Yeah. You go through all heap of little phases in my life and things. But I'm there now. You know, perfect. Can be better. But guess what? I'm not give up. I continue work and go hard. You know what I mean? So God bless you. Love you guys very much. And remember that nothing can stop us. Because God will rock. Yeah? So, big up on yourself. Love on and hope you take a little piece from what I say here. Another day again.
Love take over the city, no more of the iniquity. Girl, them a come out and you're the one of them look cute and pretty. Me and me virgin.